If you'd love to win one of these, just stay tuned. Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making dill pickle bread. Now this recipe is inspired by last year's The Big Pickle Dill Party that was held in Baltimore. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, subscribe, smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell for the Little House of Beans. And we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon and as an ebook. I am ready to make this delicious dill pickle bread. Come join me, let's cook. If you'd love to win one of these perforated baking trays, please comment Happy 2025 on this video.